James Hetfield reflection on Cliff Burton and Jason Newsted did led two different chapters of the same story, one of mythic, creative loss, the other of an awkward, bruising aftermath. Hetfield speaks of Cliff in almost devotional terms. Burton's musical imagination is a touchstone Hetfield still channels when making decisions, a ghostly collaborator whose appetite for daring bassline shaped Metallica's early identity. Hetfield has said Cliff still lives all of us, and that he often asks himself, would Cliff like this when working through arrangements? A clear admission that Burden's influence remained a compass for the band's creative index. But the sanctity attached to Burden has a shadow side. After Cliff's death, Metallica were a band in shock. The lost hardened standard and expectation around what the band's role could or should. Jason Newsted stepped into that role under impossible conditions, filling the shoes of someone the band continued to revere, while the rest of the group wrestled with grief and direction. Newsted's competence and energy were never in question. Contemporaneous report and later interview show he fit Ryan musically and brought resilience to a traumatic era. Yet the band's internal dynamic left him in an uphill fight for voice and recognition. Hetfield's own retrospective comment admit this tension. His acknowledged moment when Metallica didn't make life easy for Newsted, and public statements from the band during and after that era reveal a mix of loyalty, defensiveness, and at times, insensitivity. The most visible symptom was the famously lean bass in the "And Justice for All" mix, a production outcome that, intentional or not, marginalized Newsted's contribution and shaped public perception of his role. Seen together, Hatfield's narration aren't simple rank, ordering of talent but reflection of context. Cliff as a formatic, almost irreplaceable creative force. Jason as a dedicated musician who arrived at a fraught moment and who, by many accounts, never received the full embrace he deserved. Hatfield work suggests both reference for the past and a slow, unity reckoning with how the band treat its successor, an admission that grief, hero worship, and the architecture of a band called a shape who get to be heard.